This is a recast of the 300-word piece, Increasing Resort Income Through Tactical Digital Signage, from Loop.tech. Let's listen in.
The article talks about how resorts are finding it increasingly important to stand out in a crowded market. One way they're doing this is through the strategic use of digital signage.
Digital signage is a digital installation that displays video or multimedia content for advertising or informational purposes. And it's proving to be an ideal channel for promoting on-site amenities, special events, dining experiences, and exclusive offers.
It's not just about displaying content, though. Strategic placement is key. They can be placed in lobbies, waiting areas, dining halls, and even inside guest rooms to create an immersive resort experience.
The reception area is a great location to catch guests' attention. Digital signage can provide useful information like check-in procedures, services offered, ongoing events, and upsell premium services.
In-room digital signage is another way to enhance the guest experience. It can act as a personalized digital concierge, offering services like spa bookings, restaurant reservations, and even late checkout options.
Let's not forget about dining halls and cafes. Digital signage here can tantalize guests' taste buds with daily specials, exclusive offers, and information about locally sourced ingredients.
By strategically placing digital signage in high foot traffic areas like elevators, stairways, and hallways, resorts can remind guests of amenities they might not be aware of.
Outdoor digital signs can also be used to promote nightlife activities, bars, and exclusive beach events that could otherwise be overlooked.
To sum it up, tactical placement and insightful content are key for digital signage to be effective. It's not just about displaying content. It's about enhancing the guest experience and contributing to the resort's overall revenue.
That's it for today.